Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out some features of AV Linux. So we will go in the menu, and in the application menu we will go to sound and video, and we will open all the Pipewire tools and processes. So first thing is you can check out the wire plumber status. So it will show you all the devices that are connected to the sound server, the status of those devices, the process IDs that is also shown here. You can see it here, process IDs are there. You will know the exact number of devices that are connected to the audio chip, the number of streams, the number of sources, sync endpoints, the syncs. So right now the built-in audio analog stereo is the sync. Built-in audio is the device that is working. Source endpoint stream. So if you connect many musical instruments, you will know the source endpoints. You will also know the streams that are coming in, going out. Then if there are any video devices, those can also be seen from here. And the default configured node names are there. Audio sync. So it is ALSA output PCI analog stereo. Second is you have to show the current audio system information. Then that can be done using the audio system info, Pipewire audio system info. So here you can see the server string, library protocol version, then the client index. So server name is Pulse Audio on Pipewire. Default sample specification is 32-bit float, 2 channel, 48,000 Hertz is the frequency. Default channel map is front, left, front, right. So 2 channel. Default sync output PCI analog stereo, and default source is ALSA input PCI analog stereo. This is some key. So this is how you can see the current audio system information. Then you can modify the quanta and the sample rate settings. So these are the sample rate settings that are available. So more you choose the sample rate, more fine music will play, and the more system intensive, resource intensive it will become. So if you have got an older system, you should not exceed the 128. If you have got a latest system, you can go up high. So basically it depends on the system configuration and capability. And also the sampling rates also you can change. So right now you can see here our sampling rate is 48,000 Hertz. So it is available here. We can safely use 48,000 Hertz. You may also change it. So if you go for more sampling rate, then it will put a strain on the resources. It will put a strain on the CPU. So keep it in mind. The system can then misbehave. And you can check out the Pipewire processes. So here you can see the Pipewire processes like dummy driver, freewheel driver, MIDI bridge, ALSA output and ALSA input. So total 5 processes for Pipewire are running in the system right now. You can see the IDs for these processes. Either they are in wait, busy state. So all this you can see. If there are some errors, ongoing errors, that also can be seen. So that's it for the Pipewire configuration in AV Linux. And now we will go over to the Wine audio utils. So the Wine audio utils, from here you can configure the Wine staging. You can run the Wine ASIO. So what is Wine ASIO? We will do it in later video. And this also Wine ASIO settings also we will do in some other video later on. Now let us check if anything else is pending. Okay. Cadence is not there, otherwise I could have shown you the system latencies. What is set be free? Let us check this out. Application is not opening. So it is some piano only. So you can create music using this. e-mixer is there. Let us check this out. So you can mix different sound channels and create a new output channel using this. Okay. So you can have multiple input cards or multiple input streams. Anything else? Okay. So I think we will stop here. Nothing much to check. Most of the things we have covered. So all this musical applications, audio, video, we have covered them in some of the early videos, what they are. So I'm not going to do the same thing again and again. So the best thing that we had to focus here was the low latency settings, the system performance tweaks, which different applications were available in the AV Linux. And then we saw the Pipewire controls. So how to control the audio server that we have seen. So I think this sums up the AV Linux desktop. It is made through and through for the audio video creators. You may use it for your office work also. You have to install the office applications like some office suite and then some PDF applications and all those kinds of things required for the office productivity. But this is mainly focused at the audio video creators. So you can use this. So if you are a photographer, you might want to install some photography tools that we have seen in Ubuntu Studio and other Linux distributions focused for photography creators. For example, I think there is one Fedora suite is there, Fedora designer suite. So that is also focused towards the photographers. So like that also applications you can easily install this. So Linux offers a lot of flexibility for all kinds of people. You can mix and match as you wish because everything is installable and uninstallable. You can tweak anything to your heart's content. It might break few times, but you will succeed in the right mix later on. So on this note, I will stop here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.